In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM, full tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Zoho CRM and how to bring in a contact list from your computer quickly and confidently. Before we jump in, a quick tip. Imports work best when your spreadsheet is clean and consistent. If your file is in CSV or Excel format with clear column headers like first name, last name, and email, Zoho will recognize more fields automatically and save you time later. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. This is the main dashboard you see right after you sign in. It gives you an overview of your pipelines and activities, but for now, we're heading straight to your contact records. Open the Contacts module. You'll find Contacts in the main navigation. Clicking it takes you to the list of all contacts in your CRM. If you're new to Zoho, this is the hub where individual people, like leads you've converted or customers you support, are stored. Next, look for the small arrow next to the Contacts label. This arrow opens more options specific to the module you're in. It's an easy way to access tools without leaving the page you're on. If your layout looks a little different, it may appear as an options icon, but it serves the same purpose. Choose Import Contacts from that menu. This opens the import workflow for the Contacts module. Importing at the module level ensures your data lands in the right place and uses the correct field set for people rather than companies or deals. In the Import window, select From File, then click the option to browse your computer. Navigate to your prepared file and select it. Zoho supports common formats like CSV and XLSX, and keeping your first row as proper column headers helps Zoho auto-detect matches such as email, phone, and company. A couple of simple hygiene tips can make your import smoother. Avoid merged cells, keep phone numbers in a consistent format, and make sure each contact has a unique email if you plan to use that for deduplication. If your data came from another system, exporting it as CSV is usually the safest path. After you choose the file, Zoho will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts, such as previewing your data and confirming how fields should line up. Take a moment to review those suggestions so names, emails, and other details land exactly where you expect. That's all it takes to start importing contacts in Zoho CRM. Open Contacts, expand the options, pick Import Contacts, and upload your file from your computer. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.